So what's up YouTube, welcome to the channel Complete Tech Review, and welcome to another unboxing video of the Decathlon chin-up rod. And this one I picked it up from Decathlon. You can also do it from online, but I wanted to test this chin-up rod, and also there are very less reviews on the net for this particular chin-up rod. The reason why I picked it up from Decathlon is mainly because the product quality is really nice. It can take a weight upwards around 160 plus kgs, which is really nice. In this video I'm going to do the installation part, and also I'll give you the model number. It's the Rack 500. This comes with not only the chin-up rod but also the provision to keep the dumbbells and as well as the rod for squats. So all these things that you're going to check out in this video, so stay tuned till the end. So once when you open the box, this is how the packaging looks, and it's pretty heavy. So you have to have at least 2 people to carry this, so it's pretty heavy. And the most important once when you open it is to find the instruction manual and also check out how do we assemble this, because it looks to be very complicated. So the model number is Rack 500, Rack DE Musculation 500. So this is again from Decathlon. So this is the booklet, how it looks, and let's do the assembly. So the installation process so far is halfway through. As you can see, I put the base stand and then the pillars, I would say, which hold the chin-up rod. So that is there. One thing is that they provide the tool, which is this Allen key, along with all the nut bolts. Each nut bolt has a symbol in that and the quantity. So you need to make sure that the correct nut bolt goes at the correct place. And also this Allen key is more than enough to assemble this unit. And one more important thing that I want to tell is regarding the build quality. I'm not sure whether you can see this, but the gauge of the metal that has been used is really thick, and hence this weighs a lot, which means that this can carry a lot of weight, which is unlike any other chin-up rods that I have seen online. So if you're looking for something which is at Amazon, I suggest that you first check it out, because the gauge of the metal makes a lot of difference, because it has to more or less has to take twice the weight of yours. So hence the gauge makes a lot of difference. And while doing the assembly, make sure that the markings are facing outwards so that you can see it, and that's the indication that you're going in the correct way of assembly. So this is where the weight indication is. As you can see, for the maximum payload or for any chin-up, it is taking around 110 kgs, and for the bar it can take around 175 kgs. So as I said, this can also be used for squats by putting the bar, and the maximum weight that it can take is 175 kgs. All in all, a maximum payload is around 175 kgs. So finally the assembly has been done. So it took good 30 to 45 minutes, I would say, and you need to carefully read the instruction manual to understand where which part goes where. So that's there, and yeah, so let me talk about the equipment. So this one, as you can see, this is for if you're doing lads, for if you're doing for your lower, to rest the rod. This is there, so it's a nice stand, and since the width is more, so you have enough place to put the rod, so that is also there. And for every hinge there's a marking, so this side is right and that side as well as the left. You also get these hooks, so just to ensure that this holds in the right place based on the measurement and also your shoulder size. So that's there. And also down you have a bench rack. So say if you have a bench, and if you don't have the rack which holds the rod, you can as well keep it over here. So that also is there, and it is adjustable. So as you can see, you can move it, slide it up and down. So that also is there. And then on the base, as you can see, you have the provision where you can put the plates so that this stand doesn't move, so that also is there. The base is connected to this horizontal rod. Okay, so this is firmly connected, and you also have a stepper over here, so you just for a slight push, and that's the chin up rod. So this is more like a two-part assembly. So the lower portion is still here, and then the upper portion connects through these two rods, and then the chin up rod. So that was the installation for 13,000 bucks. You can't ask more. And also the quality matters here. The gauge especially which is used is really nice, and it is also coated in this nice paint which is makes it rust free, so that also is there. The base plate also has this rubber cladding, so that also is a nice touch. So all in all, this is a nice chin-up rod as well as a bench stand and a lower stand, so that combines all the three exercises. And with this chin-up rod you can do a lot of exercises at one. There's one more equipment, and this is this mount. So basically this is to hold the chin-up rod to the ground if you want to fix it. So that's how they have given this. This doesn't come with any screw, it's just the provision where you can nail it down to the floor, so something like that. So that was the assembly for the Decathlon chin-up rod rack 500. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do so, please like and subscribe to my channel. And yes, e-waste management, which has to be recycled. So this comes with a lot of packing. I did my best in covering all the aspects of the chin-up rod rack 500. If you like it, please like and subscribe to the channel. And yes, I'll just do a slight chin up and show you the position. Oh. You can also do close grip. Get a grip, yes. Super. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do so, please like and subscribe to the channel. This is Kevin signing off, and see you in the next one. Bye.